Hey there, my name is Erin and I wanted to come on here and give a testimonial for Jordan McKay and basically all of his online courses. I actually own them all, which is kind of crazy. But I found Jordan on YouTube a couple of years ago and dove into his YouTube masterclass, then his affiliate course, his Build Your Brand Online. So you can basically say I'm a super fan. But I just want to come on here and give a testimonial about his courses and his knowledge. So as I said, I've been a student of his for a couple of years now. I've learned a ton. If you are looking to up your YouTube game, this is definitely the course that you want to take. The thing that I like the most about it is that when you're in the group, there's other people who are constantly trying and testing things on how to make money on YouTube, and they're always willing to give you feedback. The same thing goes for Jordan. It's not your average course where you just buy it and then, it gets outdated like social media does in a couple of months. He's constantly adding to it, so he's listening to the people in his group, which is you and me, hearing what we're struggling with and looking for solutions. So if you're looking to take your YouTube channel to the next level or even build one, I highly recommend Jordan's courses. Thanks, Jordan. Bye.